Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and the answers. So I welcome you on classteacher.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is, even if your company's return policy restricts what you can do for the customer, you should consider alternatives such as offering a discount, coupon, or a free sample. Option B, agree with him that the product is defective, should be replaced, but tell him that the store won't let you do anything about it. Option C, do what the customer asks, management will have to support your decision. Option D, apologies for your store's policy. The correct answer of the question, option A, consider alternatives such as offering a discount coupon or a free sample. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.